So, good afternoon to everyone. So, video for today. Yung boat namin, ipaano na yun sa dagat. So, ito na yan guys. So, that is it. So, it guys, dadalhin na yan sa dagat. Ipalutaw na yan doon. And this is it. Yan. So, going. It's ready, guys. Go, go, go. So we're going to the sea. So ano natin, palitaw na sa dagat para mag fishing na tayo guys. So that is it. Oh, move.
Krabbåter, så man festet fortellingstegn foran.
Tapos skoden for Ines Otto.
Kommer det oppi. Oppå den. Der.
Ligger det foran?
Nei, det ligger helt bak. På de siden. Kan du komme og holde her? Kan du
Ready, no. Ready. So, nandito na yan sa tubig. Nag-ano lang siya. Yan.
Dette har vi nyttig.
Yes! This is... Ready po na?
Ta på vest.
Vest! San? Yeah! Abutin po rin ito to. So now this butan, it's buta ready. Boat sa plus na guys, nandun na sa dagat. So now we're driving sa summer house again. Pauwi na kami. Tapos yung anak ko yun ang drive sa boat paingon sa ano, yung sa iparking yung boat, and then that is it. So this is guys, we're driving along to the summer house. Beautiful and nice weather today. This is cherry.
Jeg tar den med 2 kaller ned.
Ah, the cherry, guys. That is apple
Fortøyning av
tree.
vinduet.
Apple tree. They are going to harvest maybe September because we still small. Yes, we are. A lot of apple trees. Here we are. We also here. Still small
Det er
apple
synd
tree.
at den kjører for fort her sånn, fordi den kaster opp så mye støv.
Yeah. So that is we going up. Ito na guys, dito na kami. Paakyat na kami. So that is going up. Yes. It's a beautiful day today, guys. Sa wakas naman, nandun na yung boat namin sa dagat. So it's ready na kami mag-fishing. Take a look. And this is it. We are going back. And then we make dinner later. Yeah. So beautiful. Beautiful day. Drive. Roll. Drive safe. And drive easy. We are here now. Oh, what happened? What happened? So now we are home, guys. Si Kila na dyan. Dito na kami sa summer house. Yes. I'm home na. Babalik na kami, guys. And then waiting my son, guys. Nag-drive na siya sa boat. Diyan i-parking yung boat namin. And take a look at the views. It's a beautiful and blue sky, guys. So pwede na kaming mag-fishing. Masarap mag-grill tayo ng isda, fried yung mackerel, oh, 'di ba? So it's eat with salad as it's yummy. So that is life. So magluto muna mamaya ta, guys. Guys, this is it, guys. That's it for dinner today. This is air fried French fries. Hi. Hello, acorn. Hello. Hi.
Ikke gå etter den. Ikke gå.
Yummy. Spray go up.
Gang du spiser rødt makrell.
Ja, og faen meg.
Fan, who's dira?